What's up? What's up? What's up, my mind your money business folks? It's me yet again with another video on today's stock market, which pulled back a little because of the big kahuna Nvidia does a little tumble. In other words, the stock price went down. Why? So let's get into the article and see. So on Yahoo Finance, it says U.S. stocks pulled back on Monday as Nvidia shares slipped amid Chinese antitrust probe and investors prepared for this week's consumer inflation report. Here's the thing. It's China. There are big companies in the U.S. like Microsoft, Amazon, Tesla, spending billions of dollars. U.S. companies spending billions of dollars in Nvidia chips. China, there are certain rules and regulations that are in place that prohibits Nvidia from selling China chips that it's selling to American companies. So just because China has an antitrust probe into Nvidia, why is that affecting the US market? Right? But I believe shares were just taken. Profits were just taken from the big investors. That's the only thing that happened, in my opinion. But hey, the article is saying shares slipped amid Chinese antitrust probe and investors prepared for this week's consumer inflation report. So the Dow Jones Industrial Average edged down 0.5%, coming off a losing week for the blue chip index. The S&P 500 fell 0.6%, while the tech-heavy Nasdaq also stumbled 0.6% in the wake of fresh records for both. So Nvidia caused all of this. Remember, I said in another video, 50% of the $11.8 trillion, if I'm not mistaken, that was invested into the stock market, 50% was off of profits from 8 companies. And 20% of that 11.8 trillion, which is 2.3 trillion, came from Nvidia. So one company caused the market to go down. The next test for Wall Street stocks come in a consumer inflation report, which will set the stage for the Federal Reserve final interest rate decision for the year. The November Consumer Price Index on Wednesday will stress test the widespread expectation for a quarter-point rate cut December 18th, after the latest monthly jobs report failed to shake that conviction. Meanwhile, Nvidia stock slid more than 2.5% after Chinese regulators opened a probe into the chip maker for potential breaches of anti-monopoly laws. The company's lead in AI chips has put it in the middle of the US-China wrangles over tech. So the company is stuck in between the two. Okay. But US listed China stocks popped after Beijing made its first move towards loosening monetary policy in over a decade, signaling bold stimulus is on the way. Shares of Alibaba and Xpeng surged following gains in Hong Kong. In corporate news, a person of interest was arrested in Pennsylvania related to the fatal shooting of the United Health Group executive Brian Thompson. Yeah, that sucks. But that's pretty much it. Nvidia dropped, it dropped 2.55%. It's now going for $138.81. Again, buy the dip, people. Buy the dip. Buy the dip. When good stock go down, buy the dip. SMCI, Supermicro Computer, it gained 0.52%. Walmart went down 1.95%. Remember, they said Walmart is now part of the Elite 8. Palantir went down 5.08%. Tesla rose 0.15%. My information technology ETF went down by 0.75%. My SPLG went down by 0.55%. Microsoft went up 0.55%. Google went up 0.49%. Yeah, there's a lot going on in the market, people. There's a lot going on. But yeah, that's pretty much it. There was a pullback in the market today, all because of Nvidia. So that's all I have. I'm off all this week, but I'm going into work because there's a project that I have to finish. So that's why this video is going up a little late. So you guys take care. Oh, like, share, comment on this video. Let me know what you think, if you think anything at all. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, nor am I pretending to be one. All information on my channel and in my videos are for for entertainment purposes only, and expresses my opinions, right? So please consult with the financial advisor before you invest any of your money. All right, you guys take care. Peace.